So my movie is about the Buddhist sculptors of Japan, and I often ask this question to practitioners. Yes, what is Theravada view on Buddhist statues? I know maybe in Theravada they don't call it Buddhist statues; it's a Buddha statues. Yeah, so what is the view of Buddha statues for Theravada Buddhism? Please tell us.
Thank you for your timely and important question. Well, Buddha statue is not just made of normal things like wood or stone or cement or fiber, glass or anything. No. Buddhist people take Buddha statue as a symbol of veneration, a symbol of worship on which you express your deeper faith and deeper veneration towards the Buddha or respect towards the Buddha. It's also a medium to understand Buddha's teaching. It's also medium to realize who the Buddha is and to realize his Dhamma or his teaching. And also, as Buddhism has three levels, that is cultural level, intellectual level, and spiritual level. For the beginners in Buddhism, so cultural level is the basic level in which you are provided initial symbolic features like statues and other things. So Buddha statue helps you to calm down and cool down your mind. Not only that, to culture your mind, to civilize your mind, which helps once you become, cultured and civilized physically and mentally, and that becomes a basic foundation, or that becomes a firm foundation to enter to intellectual level or higher level of practices. So Buddha statue is not just an idol or object of veneration or worship, but also it is a bridge to enhance your higher and deeper level of Buddhism, in which you can achieve intellectual and also spiritual level.